Hey guys, it's Alex from Alpha Kilo Warrior. I have a special episode this week. I'm a passenger in a new type of aircraft, a first for this channel. The aircraft is called the Cessna 172. I hope you enjoy the new camera angle. I think it looks pretty neat. I'm also wearing a new hoodie I picked up in Southbridge, Massachusetts. I got at the flight deck. That's where I had lunch. The airport I flew into, 3 Bravo Zero, has a flying restaurant right in the field. I was super excited to ride shotgun with the fan of my channel. I can't wait to bring more content like this to the channel where I actually go do something instead of just flying around. Thanks to Sarah for being very nice and giving me a tour of the FBO and her restaurant. I plan on going back again to try some of her pancakes. I encourage fellow pilots watching this to make the trip there and help support the restaurant. Also, if you do get a cup of coffee, you can help Sarah out by buying her mug for $15. That's one less dish she has to wash. Sit back and enjoy the show.
Here, bathrooms for when anyone flies in. We have a pilot's shower and locker room, so you're welcome to use these. And then that goes to one of our hangars, as well as over here. This is our conference room. It is available for rent, so if anyone needs to host a seminar, a class, anything, they're welcome to fly in and use it. But yeah, poke around.
It's really
You're
nice
welcome.
And what's your first name again?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Alex.
Alex, good to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, one of your coffee mugs is over here.
Can you imagine it? Is it a captain's club one?
Yeah.
This is actually donated by a local pilot. He came to this airport for this air show in 1986, got this poster, paid $4.50 at the gate, I guess, and donated this to the airport. So we get lots of gifts donated, but this was pretty cool. This is by John Murphy. He's one of our captains, one of our regulars here. And then my folks were military, so this is actually me. My mom and my dad, they were Air Force. My dad did 24 and a half years and he was an air traffic controller. My mom was ComSec and she did 20 and a half. My grandfather, right here and right here, he landed on Omaha Beach and he was in the Navy, survived and raised 3 children in New York. So that's his flag. My dad, my mom right here. And then that flag was donated by Mike's cousin. He's currently serving in the Navy. Don't tread on me. And it flew on his ship, so he gave it to us as like a thank you, good luck kind of thing. And then my parents' certificate of retirement up here. So they're done.
This place got a good vibe to it.
Yeah, thank you. We appreciate it. Good music usually too.
Oh yeah. Well, again, it was nice meeting you.
Thank you. Lovely to meet you.
All right.